In this quick video, I'll show you the fastest fix for stuttering in Windows 11 using the GameBar persistence writer tweak. This method has helped a lots of people instantly remove shutters. All you have to do is open a file explorer and go to C drive and go to Windows folder and find the System32 folder. Double click on it. Now find the GameBar presence writer. Just right click on it and select properties. Go to security tab and select advanced option and select change. In here type your username. If it doesn't know your username, then select the start icon. Here you can able to see your username and then type it. Then select check names and select OK. Select the add option and select your principal and type here username and then select check names and select OK and check mark this full control and select OK and select apply to save changes. Select the yes option and select OK and select OK. Again select the advanced option and select change option. Type here NT caps letter space yes caps letter SERVICE backslash T caps letter trusted installer I caps letter. Then select check names. Select OK. Select apply and OK for save changes. Now go back to this folder and right click on the game bar presents writer and select rename option. This end of it type dot back. It means backup. Just press enter. Select the continue option to save it and select the yes option. And the file has been successfully renamed. For the changes take effect, just close up here and restart your PC. That's all you have to do it guys. I hope this video helped you guys. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.